Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to activate call waiting on Android. We start by entering the settings of our phone. After that, we will use the search option to more easily find the option similar to call waiting. After that, we will see that if we do not have this option activated, we can activate it and confirm the action so that it can be used. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.